Okay, welcome to yet another exciting lesson. We are looking at flash terms. I'm going to show you how to calculate the flash term. The flash term, by definition, we define a flash term as the part that is remained when the top part is cut off. For this, in the O shape here, we had a cone. Now, when we cut it, we cut part of a cone, then what will remain is what is referred to as a flash term. Now, the base that we have here is that of a circle on top. That is the base that of a circle. So when calculating the volume, this is the formula that you can use. There are also some other formulas apart from this one that you can still use and get the correct answer. So you need to identify the value for small r. The value for small r here, it is 3 centimeters. And the value for big R here, it is 8 centimeters. So we'll square this. So our R squared, you are multiplying 3 times 3 to give us 9 centimeters squared. Then our big R squared, it will give us 64 centimeters squared. So coming to the formula, we have been given the height. The height of this flash term is 10. So we substitute where there is height. Then we have also been taught that the value for pi is 3.142. So my volume will be equal to 1 over 3 multiplied by pi, then multiplied by the h. The h in this case, it is 10. Then we can open the bracket, the r squared. In this case, r squared is 9. Then plus the big R squared is equal to 64. Then plus R1. Then for small r and R2, this means multiplication. We are multiplying small r multiplied by the big R. So we are multiplying 3 multiplied by 8. Okay. So our volume will be equal to, this will be 10 pi then over 3. We are multiplying. This is 9. Then plus 64. Then plus 24. Okay, so our volume will be equal to, we will need to add right. So when we add, this will give us 10 pi over 3, and this side we are going to have 97. We have 97. So our volume will be equal to, we can multiply this to give us 970, that is pi. Then we divide that by 3. And therefore conclude the volume will be equal to, make use of the calculator, the value for pi, where there is pi, we substitute 3.142. So it will give us okay, so if we divide, it will give us that is 5, then 0.9, 0.133. So we can round off our final answer. Correct to 3 significant figures, and this would be 20, then centimeters cubic. So that is the volume for this flash term, whose bases, the base that we have here is that of a circle, and the base that we have on top is that of a circle. So you need just to identify the value for R, which is there. Small r is 3 centimeters. Then the value for big R, 8 centimeters. You square them. This is 8 times 8, giving us 64. 3 times 3, giving us 9 centimeters squared. Then when you come to this formula, you substitute. Where there is pi, you have 3.142h. Then you work it out. Then you will get the volume, the required volume for this flash term. Thank you so much for following this lesson. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel.